question which is in the minds of a lot of people. Suppose you have a cold, what should you do? Go to a hospital or quarantine at home? Right? Because there's always, everyone in this frame of mind is thinking, oh, I've got corona, right? So, the question is, if you've got a cold, a pretty nasty cold, can you please tell me about the symptoms again? Because I heard that corona does not manifest itself in a cold as much as it does in a really bad dry cough. So, can you tell us about the symptoms? And A, what should you do? Should you go to a doctor or should you quarantine at home till it passes?
So yes, as we have even spoken in our previous programs, as far as corona is concerned, it has a little different set of the same symptoms, but in a different order. We have a cold and we have fever, and then there is cough. So these are the three basic symptoms. So if you have a patient who has suspected corona, the fever and the cough is there very prominent. Cold also will be there. But here, let us be very logical that if a person is at home and he has got a cold, I think quarantine at home is very much important. Like we take care of common cold and cough, our basic things which are there, with the help of a doctor, it is, I would say, prudent to call a doctor at home rather than go to his clinic, for the simple reason that you may be exposed to more patients in the clinic also. And here is a simple thing that here you have not traveled from those areas or those where there has been a travel advisory. So obviously you are not suffering from corona. Corona is not in the air so often, so free, and we have not had such a big increase in number of cases as said by the previous speakers too. So I would not say that we are plateauing, but at the same time, the rate at which it should have increased fortunately is not increasing, and thanks to the Indian subcontinent hot climate, where
thank God for that. Okay, let's take a couple of questions. Sachin from Bengaluru is calling. Sachin, hi.